First impression is powerful because it lasts longer and you can use it to get a girl to like you instantly. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a good first impression and get a girl to like you. So stay tuned. What's up everybody, it's Iris here and welcome back to another tips and strategy video on relationship. If you are new on this channel, we do a lot of tips, strategy and advice video on relationships. So if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out video just like this one. Now your first impression with a girl determines the way your relationship will be with her, because first impression is really powerful and it makes a girl to fall in love with you, likes you instantly. So in this video, I'm going to break down a step by step on how to make a good first impression with a girl and get her to like you. So step one is to make sure you dress good. What you want to do is to make sure you dress very good, to look very attractive in such a way that once the girls see you, it will make you to feel more attractive to her. You know, girls like guys that dress very good, because dressing is one of the key important things that attracts a girl. So you want to make sure you dress very good in such a way that once you start talking to her, she will be interesting in you. You also want to make sure you are so charismatic, smiley and jovial while talking to her. So make sure you wear a very good clothes, you know, shoe, trouser, and if possible even your hairstyle. So make sure you dress very good if you want to make a very good first impression with your girl. Step two is to walk to her and say hi to her. Now after you dress very good, the next thing you want to do is to walk to her and say hi to her, but you don't want to keep the conversation longer. You want to make it very short. That is, once you reach outside, you can just say hi to her, introduce yourself. My name is Idris, and if you don't mind, can I know your name? She will tell you her name. Then compliment her immediately. You look beautiful, and if you don't mind, I would like to know you more. Just keep the conversation short, and once you finish introducing yourself and complimenting her, next thing is to talk a little about maybe where you are, or you can say something like, I just see you and I want to say hi to you. If you don't mind, I would like to talk to you. Maybe can we be friends, or can I get your contact so we can talk another time? If she gives you her contact, make sure you call her immediately so that she will also get your number. Make sure you start having conversation with her, and if you have an intention of getting her to be your girlfriend, I make video on that. I'll put a link in the description of this video down below or on the YouTube card. Yeah, so the next step is, if you want to make a good first impression with a girl, make sure where she is a place that she will be very free, or a place that she will feel secure, not insecure. You know, in how to ask a girl to be your girlfriend, the video number one was about casual approach, which means you should build familiarity with the girl because of the insecurity. So you want to make sure that where you want to make a good first impression with her should be a place where she'll be very free to talk to you. You know, she'll not be maybe thinking of someone else or something else that will make her feel insecure. And after you finish talking to her, you can just say goodbye to her. So thanks so much for watching this video. Click here to watch how to ask a girl to be your girlfriend, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share it with your friends, and I will see you in my next video.